This is the initial inspection of a Fender 5F1 amplifier that just arrived D-Lab for repair. I've already removed the back cover so we can take a look inside of the chassis. This amp is 100% original. I am the first person that has opened it up for maintenance. Take a look at the filter caps. See a big blister down there. All those old brown paper caps need to come out. Also notice the power cord is cut off and the speaker wiring has been tagged into, so we got to take care of that too. So because of the condition of the filter caps, I'm not going to apply power to this amp until I replace those and put on a new power cord. Here's a quick check of the power transformer. There's my primary, a high voltage secondary to chassis. That looks good, and here is the 5-volt winding. And then we have the output transformer. So it appears as though all the transformers are good. So there's the chassis pulled. Initially, I thought that output transformer was the incorrect one, but comparing it to pictures of other 5F1s on the web, it matches. Unfortunately, the control panel side of the chassis is pretty worn due to storage, as well as the top of the cabinet. There's not much I can do about that. I'm just the electronic restoration guy. So what the plan is I'm going to put on a new AC cord, change out the filter caps and the 25 microfarad caps, and give this thing an initial power up. Okay, I've got the champ recapped. I put in some good tubes. I'm going to bring it up on a variac, and I'm monitoring the cathode voltage on the 6V6 resistor. So she's coming up. I'm going to bring up the volume. Sounds like the pot's a little bit dirty, but I'm getting white noise. So the amplifier is operating. Alright, I've made some final changes to the champ, a new 6V6 and 12AX7. I also rewired the AC with a terminal board, so now it is wired per current spec. I have a looper hooked up. She sounds good. Turn it down. There's no noise. So the next step will be to dress up the speaker wiring, install a new handle, and take care of any other issues that I spot. But this champ is really coming along.